Here he is. Here's the hairy-nosed otter. He's coming and stalking me. This is the only one in captivity in the world. I'm here at Phnom Tamao Rescue Center at the outskirts of Phnom Penh in Cambodia.
Yeah, it's not good, is it? He's coming.
The hairy-nosed otter is the rarest otter in the world. Conservation International has been supporting the enclosures here at Phnom Tamao Rescue Center in case of the wild population going extinct. Hey you, you've been swimming? They're thought to be only just a few hundred left anywhere in the world. The Tonle Sap may be the stronghold for this species. The Tonle Sap could be seen as a fish factory for all of the 15 million people living in Cambodia. But for the last few years, there's been a major change in the sustainability of the lake. The maintenance of the ecosystem is really important, both for food security and for the world's rarest otter. We've been monitoring the hairy-nosed otters with camera traps since about 2006. It's the apex predator in the Tonle Sap, which means that they maintain healthy fish populations because it eats the sick fish. So if you lose the otters, it can really compromise the quality of the fishery for people. There's a lot of wildlife trade in Cambodia, so the rangers find themselves confiscating bags full of snakes or young hairy-nosed otters or even leopards, tigers. Some are released and the others are used here for education purposes and for breeding purposes. The otters are persecuted because they're so smart. They can swim into the fish traps, they can remove the fish, they'll break the net. The human fishermen feel very threatened by it. Also, though, the fur is so beautiful and so soft and waterproof that they're used for either the linings or to make hats. We do education programs both in the schools and with the local fishing communities. This particular otter was donated to us by a fisherman. His son had been in a class where we'd been talking to them about the importance of conservation of otters. And then the son went back and gave his father a bit of a hard time about having a captive otter. Once we get that education in place, the fishermen understand that these otters are actually their friends. Thanks to the work of CI, we've seen a significant increase in these otters. But we'll find a female for you. Yeah? Then all your cubs, they can go back to the Tonle Sap. I think there's a very positive outlook for them now. And that is actually beneficial to people as well.